the lab stage with the first ever Filipino boy band to debut in South Korea and take the world by storm from South Korea to the Philippines. They represent the dreams of 7 boys who started on the same line, gathered in one place, and faced the same goal. Committed to keeping their Filipino roots intact, integrating Filipino lyrics into their songs to highlight their unique identity. Plus, they're getting involved in writing their own lyrics, aiming to be artists that others look up to as role models. They were crowned the 2023 winner of the Focus Award, Music at the Asia Artist Award, Top Global Artist of the Year at the Bebop Awards 2023. And the Fearless Global Filipino winner of the 2024 Nylon Manila Big Ball Brave Awards. We are very lucky to have with us tonight Finchie, Kim, Kyler, Lisa, Winston, Jeremy, and Marcus. Together, they are Horizon!
Energy kahit late na! Let's go! But first, of course, we're going to greet first para sa inyo lahat. 1, 2, 3! Hello! We are Horizon! And because we are wearing school uniforms and we are, ideally, nasa classroom tayo ngayon, mag-roll call muna ako isa-isa. Okay. Ako muna, ako yung prof ngayon. Ako pala si Vinci, I'm the leader of Class Horizon! Yeah! Roll call tayo. First, Horizon Jeremy!
Present! Hi guys, I'm main dancer and I'm Jeremy.
Okay, next, Horizon Marcus!
Present! Hi guys, my name is Marcus, I'm the mangler.
Next, Horizon Kyler!
Present po! Hello guys, my name is Kyler and I'm the vocalist.
Ang susunod naman ay si Horizon Racer!
Present! Hello classmate, may assignment pa kayo? Nakalimutan ko eh.
Ang next naman, Horizon Winston!
Present! Hi guys, my name is Winston. One of the vocalists!
And lastly, we have Horizon Kim!
Oh, wow, hello. Okay, use my mic. Wow. Hello sir, absent ako. This is lang yung punta ko dito.
Huwag kang mag-absent! Kailangan natin pumasa descent para graduate for next countdown.
By the way
Yeah.
guys, my name is Kim and vocalist ng Horizon. Hey!
Okay guys, may energy pa ba kayo? Testing na natin kung may energy pa sila. Okay, tahimik. Hype!
Okay.
Louder! Hype! Isa na, loudest! Hype! Okay! I think they're ready. Yeah, they're ready.
Okay, let's go. Oh wait.
Okay. Alright, but... Ay, wait. May nagkakating!
Uy, nag-cheat kayo.
Uy, nagkakating sila, guys.
Yes,
Papapasahin ba natin sila Decem? Ay, papapasahin. Mabait sila. Thank you again.
Balik na ako. Hindi ako absent.
Welcome. Ay, kala ko late ka na. Pero sige, mag-roll call din tayo dito. Mga Magiliws! Mga Bullets! Mga Zayas! Mga 18s! Here comes our lovely anchors! We love you guys, and I hope some of you go home as anchors as well tonight. Yeah. Multi-scanning tayo, yun yung uso ngayon, di ba? Di ba? Marami, mahal natin lahat. This P-pop industry. We're so glad to be here tonight. We're so glad to be with such big acts. And our cutter
Asan yung...
is still missing. So
Hey,
we
let's
still have
wait.
time to talk.
Yes, yes.
Hello classmate, nandiyan ka ba?
Ilabas na si
Guys, okay. Di ko alam kung narinig niyo si Kuya Kim eh, pero nagmamic na siya.
Marcos, di ba may switch pa
Right.
niya?
Guys, alam niyo ba yung title ng mga kanta na perform namin kayo? Sino may alam? Sino may alam?
Ben.
Ano yung una? Ano yung una?
Sige nga.
Sabay! Sabay ang sumunod. Tama, tama. O, ano yung pangalawa? Lovey, lovey. Pero yung dalawang kanta na yun, I feel like they have something in common, right? Medyo cute yung mga... Ay! Thank you, Dave.
Pero ngayon,
Ay!
andito na yung kaklase natin. What's up?
Yan na siya.
O sige, kasi nandito ka, spell mo muna Horizon. Spell, Horizon.
Spell Horizon.
Spell.
Inquiry.
Spell. No, let me jot it up for you. You don't need to tell me a girl, it's you my lucky H-O-R-S-7-O. Let's go!
Lucky, 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 lucky.
Thank you. But for now, let's come back to class.
Let's go.
Did you guys enjoy that? We sure did. Thank you, Watson Club members, for coming to Watson's P-Pop Power Concert. Watson's Playlist! That was Meteor and our pre-debut track, Dash. So if you haven't checked that out, you can check that out. Oh guys.
Guys,
Gusto niyo ba mag-picture? Picture?
Take picture?
Should we take pictures? Yeah? Let's go take pictures, guys. Can we take pictures? Wait, we had it already. Oh, here. Oh, there. Let's take a selfie, guys. Selfie gusto muna tayo, maybe.
let's go here. Let's go there muna.
Hindi sila makikita eh.
Let's try this and
Is this fine? Yeah.
Let's go down.
In 3, 2, 1, say what's up? 3, 2, 1.
What's up?
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Thank you.
But of course, we wouldn't just come here empty-handed. We actually have some good news.
Okay.
Oh wait, guys. Let's line up muna. Let's line up.
We have some good news to announce. On November 3, here at the Mama Arena, Horizon will be coming back with our second solo concert.
That's right, guys.
Are you guys excited for that? I know it's a bit too early because we still have a show to go on, but we wanted you guys na umuwi na may balang especially our lovely actors. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so you're hearing that right, guys. November 3, we're gonna come back to the same arena and hopefully come back with the same people, maybe.
Yeah! Gusto niyo ba kami makita sa November 3?
That's nice.
Kasi hanggang November 2, dito kami matutulog. dito. Kanya-kanya kami spot dyan. So, linisin nyo pagkaalis nyo ha. Para pag natulog kami dyan mamaya, malinis na. Joke lang. But thank you guys so much for supporting Horizon until now. And do you guys have anything special you want to say?
Of course, to all fandoms here, thank you so much for coming here to Watson Playlist. And of course, we Horizon are very glad that we performed the same stage with this artist. And of course, we're glad that you guys are here. Anchors, Bullets, Zaya, 18 and Makilio, of course. So thank you so much for coming here, guys. Thank you.
Yes. This next performance will be our last one, but I hope you guys remember and always spell Horizon with a 7, not a Z. Let's go.
Let's go.
With a 6.